Hey guys, good morning. We're going to take a look at Cardano today. Kind of just do a chill little hangout here. Just cutting to the chase, guys. Cardano's Vasil hard fork has been delayed again. So, people were expecting this to come out at the end of July. So let's take a look at what's going on here. The team is working very hard to deliver the benefits of Vasil hard fork to the community. The good news is that this week we have just had a new 1.35.2 release that fixes issues that stake pool operators, DApp developers, internal testing, and others have identified. Yay! Okay, cool. They're at least working on some stuff for us. The goal is that it will flush out any issues as we go to the Vasil hard fork. The Vasil upgrade essentially aims to ramp up performance and capability enhancements to Cardano and is touted as the most significant network upgrade since the development of staking via Shelley. All right, how is the price doing based off this? Well, I don't know if this is technically due to, well, here's the deal. Yesterday, Bitcoin and Ethereum stayed exactly where they were at. Nothing happened. During that same duration right here, we end up seeing Cardano just take a crazy spike up here. I think it may have been people anticipating the release, and then we're like, okay, nothing happened. And then we start moving back down. So as far as technical analysis goes on Cardano, I'm going to kind of keep this pretty simple. We've got trend exhaustion high. The overall structure of Cardano right now, doesn't matter if you're going long or short, the structure's overextended. Here's a really simple thing for you new traders if you're looking at something. I know this is so elementary, but follow me here. If you're looking for short trades, wait for a good run up. If you're looking for long trades, wait for a good run down. It sounds so dumb, I know, guys, but a lot of people look to try to get into these markets when they start going up and they start running, because what they do is they hear all their friends saying, hey, Cardano's going up. I'm up 10, 20%. Look, if my friend tells me they're up 20, 30% on a coin, my first thought reaction is, man, I better sell this thing because it's probably going to move back down. But if you're on the side where you're like, man, I don't want to miss out, I want to join them, that is an emotional trigger, and it's usually not the best move, guys. When people are getting excited because it's gone up so much, it's usually when it's going to come crashing back down. So watching this weekend, we are at this really strong resistance right here where we ended up hitting a double top. I'm just using a linear regression tool for this, and I'll show you guys how I'm doing that. If you come over here, come down, you guys are going to click regression trend. And what I do is I just look for a decent, movement of price. I click once, I click twice, and then you guys can have a trend like this. What I like to do is I wanted to pull this over here. So what I did is I went like that, and I clicked here, and I took the high here. So I'm going to start with the high, and I'm going to start with this move over here. And this is going to give us a sideways channel, okay? This is what's called a regression trend. It's pretty cool. I'll go into this more later, but we'll be using it more on this channel. Just wanted to show you guys how to access that. Real quickly, I ended up moving. This is an up and a down. I take this, the yellow, moved it all the way to the left. For the down, moved it all the way to the left, and then for the base, I took it off, just so you guys can copy me. We'll be using it more, so I want you guys to know about that. So with the double top formation presented to us pretty much, last night on the 28th, either we're going to get people who shorted here, they're going to get trapped on the way up here, and Cardano could actually get really bullish because the next technical resistance, guys, is up here at it's up here at 64, 65 cents. So could we actually see Cardano pumping up maybe another 23% before the end of the year? I think it's actually possible. I would say, however, there is more signs here that the actual trend here is going to go back down here probably over the weekend. If there's any type of bearishness for Bitcoin, Ethereum, definitely is going to bring down the alts as well. So these indicators here are going to help you guys predict that. Last time we got up here, this is where we ended up seeing a peak and we saw the drop back down. Previous time trend exhaustion got close to the top red section and it was high. That's where we ended up seeing the drop back down as well. Guys, snag these indicators in the description. They are the two best indicators we've used for trading. They work very well. Quickly, let's peek over here at the metrics over here at tradeconfident.io. Go to the charts, and we're going to come down. We're going to take a look at Cardano. Cardano, people are taking their money out of Cardano a little bit here. This is what's called the market cap strength of the dominance. People are taking a lot of their money and they're moving it into USDC. We saw this on a video I did a couple days ago. I think people are still a little nervous. Yesterday, we're pushing up to about the 71% chance of a move back down. And we're starting to see the results this morning. Now, we did pump up a little bit more, but I don't think can be sustained. We may see over here a metric move up today. I would say maybe 73, 74 potentially. We just need to be watching that move back down. I still don't believe Bitcoin or Ethereum, guys, is out of the woods for this. And if you're looking at this, we are just creating a really large bear flag to the downside. And that's usually where bear flags break. It's why it's technically called a bear flag. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that, give you guys an update on Vasil. It did not get released. It was delayed. That could add some selling pressure in the market. Okay. I love you guys. If you want to come trade with us, we've got scalping trades that we're calling out. I did do a video last night. I want everyone to watch it. I'm just going to honestly on YouTube here say I made a mistake. We counted a trade that did not necessarily meet all the rules to the trading strategy. And I felt as though we should not have counted that as a win. Everybody still won the trade. Everybody still made their 4%. So yes, it was technically a winning trade, but I want to come out here and be honest with you guys. We are currently sitting at, let me refresh this because it's not 71, it should be 72. We're 400% more than the S&P 500, averaging over 0.5% per day if you're just using market orders, putting all your money into each of our calls. But please, guys, I highly recommend you use at least 2 to 3 buy limits per trade. I did a video last night showing you guys why. So if you guys get a chance today, definitely go over. And once you guys have a membership, you guys can click subscribe. You'll get access to all the metrics and everything here. And then go to Telegram so you guys can get notified when we come out with trades. But please just take 1 second to go to the inside tips and watch the video I showed you guys last night. It will actually show you how the risk management of using buy limits is so much more beneficial. And honestly, guys, I believe you will make more money if you use better risk management than putting all your money into the market looking to take good trades. Yes, we have not even hit a first buy limit on any of our trades here, so it's going to look enticing to throw all your money into each trade we take, but please watch that video, and then when you guys subscribe, I would look to use 2 to 3 buy limits per trade, because in the long run, you guys will be able to trade this for a longer period of time, and your account will be so much safer. Speaking of accounts, guys, currently our long-term HODL account, long-term, and we'll end it with this, guys. This long-term HODL account is currently at $75,865. It's up $10,000 in about 48 hours, which is really cool. And then the account that we're going in and out of, selling high, buying back in below, selling high, buying back in below. We're up 5,263. So I'm excited. We're doing really well over here for what the market has given us. And, setting up $5,000 isn't too bad. Hey, if we get to 60,000, I might take $10,000 out and, go take my family on a trip and just keep trading over here, because we got to enjoy our profits, guys. We got to enjoy our profits. If I do that, I'll let you guys know. All right, God bless you guys. Snag a membership, and we'll keep calling trades out for you. And I will see you guys later. Indicators, if you want to snag those, they're 82% off from our retail prices. Guys, our indicators are actually pretty decently cheap. Our retail prices are compared to other indicators out there. Honestly, that's how we get them. We have a really, really good deal on these. If you guys want to check out and you've made it to the end of this video, thank you. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY. So just click the links here and use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, and you guys will get an extra discount on these indicators. I put it in the description too. So just make sure you guys are using SAVEMONEY as a coupon code for yourself. If you're checking out, the bundle pack doesn't need a coupon code because it's the biggest discount we have. Okay. All right, guys, have an amazing, amazing weekend. I love you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, bye, guys.